Last weekend, I had participated in YBDXPI and SPDX contests just for the fun of working some DX stations, though I knew perfectly well that I will never reach anywhere near a contest win with my limited setup. Many VU participants who are calling CQ contests received numbers for YBDXPI from me. It was only later that I came to know that my VU friends were participating in the ARSI 40 meter CQ VU SSB contests and not in the other DX contests. When I had a look at the rules of the contest, there was one thing in common. Logs have to be submitted in Cabrillo format. That led me to the N1MM Logger Plus software, which I downloaded from the website link. After installing the software, there were three new icons on my Windows desktop named N1MM Logger Plus, N1MM Router, and SDR Server. First, I clicked on N1MM Logger Plus as I do not have an antenna rotator and I am yet to connect my FT710 radio to the computer, though I have the Type A to Type B USB cable ready with me. It suggested N1MM Logger Plus folder in my documents for storing logs and I accepted. Then the options were either to create new N1MM Logger Plus database or Open Existing N1MM Logger Plus database with former as default one. After clicking that, a dialog box asked me to set up my station info in config/station. After filling in station details, I was asked to update to the latest version and I did that. There was a warning which asked me not to store the log file in cloud, which could lead to data corruption. I was asked to reinstall with N1MM Logger Plus database location in computer. But as far as I could see, the database was within my computer itself. After finishing install, I was asked to reboot my computer. Next, I proceeded to make a new log in the database. I changed the start date to 6th April 2024 as that was the start date of the contest which I mentioned. I used the other default options except power, which I changed to low as my radio had only 100 watt PP maximum power output. Then in the VFO-A window, I chose band as 10 meter and then edit. Entered call sign of the first station contacted, time, frequency and number sent. After that, I clicked log and the QSO appeared in the list of the database. I followed the same procedure for the three QSOs I had made during the SPDX contest. After correcting errors which were seen in the log entries, I generated a Cabrillo file and saved it. A prompt suggested upload to supercheck partial. Then I submitted my logs at the contest website, which immediately told me to re-upload after correcting errors. Checked again and found that the date was today's date and not the date of the contacts. Tried to re-upload. This time it was better. More than 20% is flawed. Correct and resubmit. Now I have to figure out where I went wrong.